Equals 9 Media presents The P.A.L.L E Experiment, starring Sunny. Welcome to the show. What's going on? Welcome back. Boom. And there's a reason. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. I was about to say the same thing, but you already know. You already know. um oh my gosh. Man, I was just sitting here and I was just like, damn, man. I'm always saying thank you. I'm always showing my gratitude because it's like I feel so blessed, like in ways I cannot even describe. Like so blessed. Like I wish there was another word. I don't know why blessed just sounds religious to me, but not there's nothing wrong with that. It's just it's not expressive enough to like to express the gratitude that I feel. Like um I feel more than blessed, like but blessed is describing how I feel because it feels like it's not like it's not like a worldly blessing. It's like out of this world shit. But yeah, it's just to oh man. Yeah. I was having this conversation anyway. It was just like I do this thing where it's like I'm Sunny and Pal and I'm talking to myself and it's just like thank myself for finding myself and respecting myself and loving myself and like all these feelings that I had that I didn't have for myself. I'm like I'm so grateful that like I can give this to you now. Like I'm honored to like treat myself the way I should have been treating myself this whole time, you know? And I say thank you for like just getting me to this point to where it's just like nothing else matters but my happiness and my peace. And I want others to understand nothing matters more than your happiness and your peace. Like if you're not happy and at peace, if you don't have that balance, like you're not ready to. I'm not gonna say you, but I feel at this point like I rather if I'm not at peace like that with myself in that way, I don't want to be around anybody. I need to figure that out because I'm the only person that can make myself happy, and I'm the only person that keep myself happy to bring me peace. So I can't put that on anybody else or give anybody else that unhappy or unbalanced energy. I wouldn't want to give anybody that energy. So therefore, I would rather figure that out myself and be like, I got some shit I gotta figure out because why do I feel this way? You know, but I mean, I don't, but like that's what I would do at this point. Just things are different, very different. A manifestation and a manifestation. I think I've said that before. I know I have. Yes, yes, yes. I know I have. Anyway, um, yeah, just I'm so happy. Like I got here, and it's just like I don't have any regrets. Like no issues with anyone. No, nothing. Like I just know how to maintain my happiness and peace now. And it's nothing against anyone else. It's just that I know what it takes for me personally, from my own experience, what it takes for me to be balanced with happiness and peace. And I will go out of my way to make sure that I stay that way. I will set boundaries. I will cut people off. I will say, that's it. I'm done. Cut off game. Extra, 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 extra strong. One more again. Extra strong. Yeah. I just don't have time for it anymore. If I myself am not going to share any negative energy with anyone, I don't expect anyone to bring their negative energy to me. And I will definitely set a boundary if you bring some negative shit my way. That's a fact, though. Telling you right now, that's a fact. I just don't want it. And I know a lot of people be like, oh, you can't be. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Everything in your life is a choice. So don't ever, ever, ever tell me that I can't be happy all the time. Yes, the fuck I can. Because I choose to fucking be. And it's my life to make sure that I align to be that fucking way. Just like it's everybody else's life. I mean, it's your choices you need to make to align you up to what you want to have, or what you want to be, or what you want to feel. My happiness and my peace, I make sure I stay aligned to that. I mean, by any means necessary. Like, no. Nope. Mm-mm. Because there's nothing that you can do to make me change that state of mind. There's nothing you can make me do to make me change that state of mind. I've been all the way to the bottom, and I'm not worried about anything else. So, like, I'm great. Money can't do it. nothing can do it, man. It's like if those needs aren't met, we can't even have a conversation. And I mean that like even within myself. If it's like if I'm not making myself happy, if it's like, yo, I want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, bro, but toast that fucking bread. It's like I don't feel like toasting that bread. I said I want that bread toasted. All right, cool. Toast that fucking bread. You gotta do shit that I know that sound crazy, but yeah, that's me. You gotta do shit to make yourself happy. You gotta release those little counter weights too to balance yourself out. Even them little ones. Make yourself happy. Make yourself happy. Don't make yourself feel guilty for shit. Make yourself happy. Yeah, for real. That's what it's all about. Going out of your way, like, 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 not going out of your way, but just being like, no, like, there's no exceptions to it, is what I'm trying to say. Going out of your way. Fuck, where the fuck did I get that from? Fuck. You know what I mean? So, just keep that, hold that, and don't let anything come in between you and that. Like, that's what these boundaries is for. Is to keep people that's gonna violate that balance of your happiness and peace. That's to keep them out. That's what the boundary is for. Hey, if you don't like it, tough tit. I don't even know what that means, but hey, it's been around for a while. Tough one, buddy. It doesn't matter. Happiness and peace comes first for everyone. For everyone. And then the love will follow. We got to get on this. I would like for everyone to get on this love train. And not just a love train. I mean, like, start from the fucking beginning. Let's start over. We are changing the way people see love. But we have to do this as a collective. I can't do this alone. We have to bring the way love is supposed to be back. We should love each other. Community love. Love all over. Open it all up. Let's just open our hearts up to love. Gotta bring it back. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you for watching. And for more information, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Love and peace, because as always, love come first. I love you all. Peace.